Hi, I'm Kelly Fasaro of SoundExpressionGreetings.com, and today we're coming to you from sunny Florida to show you how to make a beautiful photo insert greeting card. Now this is going to be a recordable card, and this one in particular is going to be a gift to Gladys Knight. She's actually coming to Florida to the Sunrise Theater tomorrow, and I will be presenting this gift with her custom song inside. Meanwhile, while I'm making cards for Gladys Knight, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a beautiful recordable photo card for someone special in your life. So when you order the black photo card kits, it's going to come to you flat like this. And all you need to do is find your favorite 4x6 photo, and you're going to just tape it to the inside of the cover. And that's all you need to do for the cover. Then you take your recordable module, which you can select a 20 or 60-second module, press the button to record, testing 1, 2, 3, and to play it back, you're going to just bend the pull tab.
Testing 1, 2, 3. And to play
then you're going to peel the backing off, and you're going to see there are 2 little notches on either side of the pull tab. Those 2 little notches will align with the fold of the card. There you can see how it's being aligned with the fold of the card. Everything is going to stick down into place. And then once the module's in place, and you'll know where to put it because there's going to be an X on the fold where you're going to put the module on that panel. Then you're going to see the double stick tape, which you will remove. You don't have to use any of your own glue. There's enough tape there. And all you have to do is fold the card in half after you remove the double stick tape and just pinch it together around all the edges, and you're going to have a finished, beautiful card. Now the reason for the 3 score lines is to protect the sound module on the inside, so when this closes, it's not going to pinch it. I'm going to show you the finished product right here with Gladys Knight's, one of her favorite songs here. There we go. Thanks for joining us.